You never know what you're going to see from our porch. I mean, right here is the baby sparrows ready to fall out of their nests. Poor guys. Then over here is our black Angus, pregnant, fat mama cow pregnant, and our new donkey behind her. I'm going to call him Stonewall Jackson. My wife calls him Jackson. I'm going to call him Stonewall Jackson, as per a brother's suggestion. Then over here is a white tail deer inside that brush right there. I'll turn the camera off. If I see the deer come out again, I'll click record. Oh, and to the left was a rooster. You heard the rooster just now. He now gets in 3 to 4 syllables. Yeah, look at this. This is all from the porch, man. The baby bat. Come on, talk to me. He loves mimicking. Or actually, I'm probably. Oh yeah, there's the deer. The deer came back out.